Try and do this one-handed. So this is our secret sauce. These pins are ballistic tipped, and they are twist shank, if you will. It's a tight rifling, and this shoots in with, what do we run these at? About 100 psi. Just little higher than your standard nailing down shingles or siding, but this is a 15-degree coil-fed gun. Roofer sider, a little heavier duty because it's by Nail Pro, kind of purpose built for what we do, which is striking steel studs. Your Hiltis, your DeWalt's, your Bosch, all those guys with a nailer side, roofer sider, that they'll still get through a few jobs. They'll just take a little more wear and tear than these do. These are kind of built a little more robust to do this.